Hello and welcome to this course. My name is Abdurrahman Muhammad and I am going to be your instructor. In this course, we are going to learn how to create 3D models from scratch using Blender and Substance Painter. The course is divided into 3 chapters. The first one is going to be a modeling practice, in which we are going to talk about modeling and some useful tips and tricks. In the second chapter, we are going to create the M48 cookery. I'll be taking you through the process of creating the cookery from modeling, UV mapping, baking, texturing, and finally rendering. In the last chapter, we are going to get advanced and we are going to create a 3-edged dagger. Also in this chapter, I'll be taking you through the process of creating the dagger from start to finish. After finishing this course, you will be able to create your own 3D assets. So what are you waiting for? Join me now.